Hello to everyone. My name is Samantha Matthews. I'm going to introduce you to our YouTube channel that is called Berto Film Day. Berto Film Day is an exciting brand that is focused on movies, featuring a diverse range of characters from cartoons and humans. Their films are designed to appeal to all ages and are created with the aim of entertaining, inspiring, and engaging audiences. Films produced by Berto Film Day are always of the highest quality, with stunning visuals, rich storylines, and engaging characters. Whether you're a fan of animated movies or live-action films, Berto Film Day has something for everyone. They are dedicated to creating films that not only entertain but also make a positive impact on society. At Berto Film Day, they believe that movies have the power to bring people together and inspire positive change. If you're looking for high-quality movies, then look no further than Berto Film Day. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Welcome our members to introduce themselves to you.
Hey everyone. My name is Peter Parker. I will always appear as a student in this movie company.
Hey everyone, my Name is Rachel Kim. I will always appear as a student in this movie company.
Hey everyone, my name is Lorraine Knight. I will be a student most of the time in this Berto Film Day. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Olivia Stone. I will always show up as a student. Thank you very much.
Hey everyone, my name is Mitchell Parker. I will be always show up as a TV show speaker. Thank you very much.
Hey everyone, my name is Samantha Matthews. I will be a TV show speaker. Thank you for watching our video.
Hey everyone, my name is Benjamin Adams. I'm going to appear as a doctor.
Hey everyone, I am Sir Kim, the headmaster of a school. In the stories I will present as a headmaster.
Hey everyone, I am Madam Kim. I will be headmistress of the school with Sir Kim, the headmaster of the school. I hope you are going to enjoy our movies that are going to share with you at our school.
Thank you for watching our video. See you next time on the story.
Hey everyone, my name is Ryan Matthews. I'm the person who loves music. So you are going to see me as a musician or talking about music.
Becerle love music.
I'm going to work with Jackson Lee as the musician's lovers. Thank you so much for watching our video.
Hey everyone, my name is Jackson Lee. I am the person who loves music. So you are going to see me as a musician or talking about music. Because I love music, I will be with my partner Ryan Matthews. Thank you for watching our video. See next time in this story.
Hey everyone. My name is Oliver Stone. I am the driver of everyone who want to travel anywhere. I will act as a driver.
Hey everyone, my name is Christopher Lee. I am going to act as a speaker.
Hey everyone. My name is Grace Adams. I am going to act a lecture in the next story. I hope you're going to enjoy our stories that we are going to give you. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video.
Hey Efalone.
My name is Grace Adams. I am going to act as a news reader in the story, and I am going to be a reader for everyone and online tutor also on the public TV.
Hey everyone, my name is Prince Matthews, your comedian guy. I am going to act a funny guy the story. I am going to give you some funnies whenever is needed in the movie.
Thank you very much for watching our video. We're going to see you in next video of our movie. These are the characters that are going to appear in the stories. Some characters we will keep introduce them to you before they start joining the team. Thank you so much.